Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2013 ECE paper. Look at the border plot of a transfer function g of s shown in the figure. The gain 20 log g of s is 32 decibels and minus 8 decibels at 1 radian and 10 radians per second. The phase is negative for all omega. Okay. And g of s is, find g of s value. So if you observe, the border plot is going to be having a single straight line with slope of this one. Slope can be calculated by dy by dx, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So from this one it can be treated as dy by dx. Dy is this one 32 and it is 0.1, this is minus 8. So this is dy is, you can write it as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Say this is 0.2, and it is 0.1. So y2 means minus 8 minus y1 is 32 divided by y2 is 10 and this is 1. So this is minus 40 divided by 10 times of frequency. This 10 times of frequency can be specified as minus 40 decibels per decade. So we don't write it as 10. So whenever the frequency is changed by 10 times, that is going to be called as a decade. So within that decade, how much change in gain you are getting is minus 40 decibels per decade. For every increase in 10 times of frequency, gain will be decreased by 40 decibels. So the slope for this one is minus 40 decibels per decade. And if you observe, it is starting from omega is equal to 1 and before that one also it is there. So even at omega is equal to 0 is also present. That implies nothing but there is a pole at origin. There is a double pole at origin. Minus 40 decibels per decade, it is going even beyond omega is equal to 1. So there is a 0, there is a pole present at 0, which you can write it as g of s transfer function as double pole at origin. Double pole at origin, and every system will have some gain, that is k. So now we are going to find what is the value of k. K is the value when s is equal to 1. So s is equal to 1 is nothing but omega is equal to 1. If omega is equal to 1, it will be written as k by 1 k. So magnitude of g of s, magnitude of g of s at s is equal to 1, which is nothing but omega is equal to 1, is stated as k. If you substitute omega is equal to 1 is s is equal to 1, s is j omega 1, j omega. So s is replacing with 1, 1 square is 1, k by 1 is k. So magnitude of g of s at omega is equal to 1 will give the constant k value. So this is omega is equal to 1 and the value is 32 decibels. But what you got is k in decibels. K in dB as 32 decibels. What we require is linear value of k. So for this one you must convert this k into normal value. K in decibels can be written as 20 log k is equal to 32. So log k is equal to 32 by 20. K is equal to 10 power 32 divided by 20, which is equal to 39.8. So k value is 39.8. So the transfer function of this Bode plot is 39.8 divided by s square. So the right answer for this question is B. B is the right answer for this question. Thank you.